In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication on KDP. Perfect for beginners who want to enhance their account security. Ensuring the security of your KDP account is crucial, especially with all the hard work you put into creating your content. Two-factor authentication is a simple yet effective way to add an extra layer of security, and the good news is that it only takes a few minutes to set up. Let's get started. First, you need to navigate to your account settings. This can be found by logging into your KDP account and looking for the Account Settings option, typically located in the top right corner. Click on this, and you'll see a section labeled Login and Security. By clicking on this section, you'll be able to manage different aspects of your login process. It's always a good idea to review these settings from time to time to ensure your account is as secure as possible. Once you're in the Login and Security section, look for an option that says Two-Step Verification. This can sometimes also be referred to as two-factor authentication. The terms are often used interchangeably, and they mean that you'll be required to verify your identity using more than just your password. Once you find this option, click on it to start the setup process. Next, you'll need to choose how you'd like to receive your verification code. You can either add a phone number or choose to use an authenticator app. If you choose the phone number option, you'll receive your codes via text message, which is straightforward and convenient. Simply enter your phone number and make sure to have your phone nearby, as you'll soon receive a code to verify. Alternatively, if you prefer using an authenticator app, you can download a reputable one to your smartphone. This method is often considered more secure as it doesn't rely on cellular networks, which could be vulnerable to certain attacks. After you've chosen your preferred method and entered the necessary information, you'll be prompted to confirm your setup. This typically involves entering a code that was sent to your phone or generated in your authenticator app. Go ahead and enter this code in the space provided. This step verifies that everything is working correctly and that you're the one initiating the setup process. Once you've confirmed your setup, you should see a notification or confirmation message indicating that your two-factor authentication is successfully enabled. From now on, each time you log in to your KDP account, after entering your password, you'll also need to provide the code that is sent to your phone or generated by your authenticator app. This additional step makes it much harder for unauthorized users to access your account, keeping your work and earnings safe. And that's it. You're all set with two-factor authentication on your KDP account. This added security is essential, giving you peace of mind knowing your account is better protected. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials.